Timelessness, they say, remains essential to justice. Against this backdrop, stakeholders gather to explore ways of strengthening alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, including mediation, arbitration, conciliation, and negotiation. Globally, ADR has become the preferred approach to resolving commercial, family, and community disputes due to its speed, lower cost, and ability to preserve relationships.
When we are having some of these conversations and dialogues, we should take them serious because ADR has come to stay. The Supreme Court now has a mediation center. So if you go there and you get an award or something, what we are trying to do now is how many of those judgments will become one that can help you to become a senior advocate of Nigeria. So it's very important. You cannot. The problem we are having is lawyers will discourage litigants to come. You better encourage them to come because it is for your own good.
The Chief Judge emphasized that not every dispute requires full courtroom litigation, noting that many cases can be resolved more efficiently through alternative processes.
Not every case should go to litigation. And some cases can never even go to litigation. If you consider a typical oil and gas contract that has gone wrong, I tell you, some courts can never resolve those contracts because they are technical. You have to be specifically trained for it. I have sat in an arbitration LNG dispute that the documents produced by the parties were like half this hall. And I'm not joking. This topic is timely. We must reimagine justice in Bayelsa State.
The keynote speaker stresses that a modern justice system must prioritize speed, fairness, and accessibility, especially in a growing economy like Bayelsa's.
The courtroom is not the only door to justice. Mediation is a door, arbitration is a door, conciliation and negotiation are doors. The multi-door courthouse opens these alternative pathways so that disputes can be resolved on terms that preserve dignity, save time, reduce cost, and keep our communities at peace.
The Deputy Governor highlights that strengthening ADR is not only about reducing court congestion, but also about improving access to justice, promoting social harmony, and boosting investor confidence. Stakeholders agree that expanding alternative dispute resolution is critical to easing pressure on the courts while building trust in the justice system and supporting sustainable development.